Hi guys, my name is Lauren Heil. I'm a Google certified innovator, computer science teacher, and was a designer prior to teaching. So you'll see in this next video, I kind of get to merge my two paths as both designer and a teacher. As I'm talking about these supports that you can use, I want you to think about students in your class with an IEP or a 504. Maybe think about students that are multi-language learners, and then also think about like what barriers are those students now facing as we shift to our e-learning environment. So some barriers to access I can think of. This list really could go on and on, but we are no longer there to clarify meaning or instructions. So if we see a student that's stuck, we can no longer just go over and kind of redirect what they're doing. Students are left to simple instructions to complete rigorous coursework. One-to-one supports are no longer available. And then frequent checks for understanding, wait time, like common supports for students that need that extra help are no longer there, or they at least need to look a little bit different. In my opinion, in this e-learning environment, every student is at a disadvantage right now. So every single student needs kind of baseline accommodated work. And that's where these templates come in. So these are all housed on my website, designschools.com, and you can then click on the digital lesson templates button, and that will pull up a whole page of different templates. And the one that I want to point out to you is kind of the main template, which would be this digital lesson document. And I also have something that looks like this in slides if you'd like to push out your lessons via slides instead of docs. But some supports that this template is already solving for you. It helps brighten the lines with clearly colored sections and like really big page breaks so students clearly know when they're done. It dedicates sections for establishing key vocabulary terms and definitions, which is a common support that you'll see for students with IEPs. Dedicated sections for establishing key points and skills intended to be gained in the lesson, so helping students kind of manage their own learning independently there. Common checks for understanding are used throughout each section, so I'll show you some of those in just a moment. Appropriate font styling, this is really huge for when we are learning only on screen. And then segments like completely dedicated to spiraling previous knowledge. It also comes with a checklist linked at the bottom that allows you to look through accommodations that should be included in all of your materials so that you are doing your best to support all. Other templates you'll see on the website are here. So like maybe a reading section with questions, step-by-step instructions, some community building activities, etc. So all of these are free for you to use. I hope that you at least get a lot of use out of maybe just one of them. And then it's also something that you can maybe bring into the 2021 school year. Thank you.